Hey kids, welcome back to KidzNCrew. Today, we're going to learn something super cool: microorganisms. Did you know that microorganisms are tiny living creatures that are so small, you can't even see them with your eyes alone? They live all around us, in water, in soil, in the air, and even inside our bodies. Some microorganisms have just one cell, while others have many, and some don't even have cells at all. Sounds amazing, right? Well, today, we're going to explore some examples of these incredible little creatures. Let's dive in and learn together.
Bacteria. Virus. Amoeba. Paramecium. Euglena. Algae. Protozoa. Fungi. Yeast. Mold. Penicillium. Salmonella. E. coli or Escherichia coli. Lactobacillus. Streptococcus. Spirogyra. Staphylococcus. Clostridium. Cyanobacteria. Plankton. Giardia. Volvox. Rotifers. Tardigrades. Diatoms. Helminths. Trypanosomes. Spirochetes. Trichomonas. Plasmodium.